Good morning, everyone. I need to get dressed for the day. I just did the tiniest bit of makeup, and then I'm gonna run downstairs for my therapy session. And then I have to go do a bunch of errands today because it's my best girlfriend's birthday this week, and we're doing a little dinner party at my house. Also, excuse my voice, my allergies they're so bad. I've been like dying. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna get dressed. I just got down to my office and I'm gonna do my therapy call, and I want to say a huge thank you to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. So it's no secret I'm in therapy. I feel like I've talked about this before, and while I feel like therapy is really personal and I don't want to like share too much, I think something I've actually learned in therapy is that it's okay to not share like so much. I can still share my life but not feel like I have to give everything away. I just feel like being so young on YouTube, because I started when I was a teenager, I would look back at videos and it doesn't even have to be that deep. Like I could even just be kind of referring to like moments where I just felt were like cringy or embarrassing. And then obviously there are some deeper moments as well, but just things that I look back on and judge myself so much for. I feel like therapy has really helped me just forgive my younger self. While it's still like a work in progress, it's something that I really appreciate from my therapist, and I've kind of learned to build certain skill sets. I'm sure a lot of us can relate to just judging our past selves, and I don't really think that's beneficial because we always are learning and growing, and that's something that I've really learned through therapy. I just really enjoy it. I think it's about finding the right therapist and connecting with somebody and feeling like you can trust the person you're talking to, which is why when BetterHelp came to partner with me, I was really eager and really excited because they make finding a therapist extremely easy. It's really accessible. You can do it all from your phone or computer. So you can video chat, you can phone call in, which I think is really amazing. It's how I do my therapy and it's my preference. If you guys want to try therapy and you want to do it through BetterHelp, you go to betterhelp.com/OliviaJade, and then you'll answer a few questions and BetterHelp will match you with a therapist who has years of experience, or you can choose Olivia Jade during your sign up and enjoy a special discount for your first month. Ta-da! These are all the flowers. I think I might put these in my bedroom, these in the bathroom, entry table, maybe these in the kitchen, and then this on the dining table. So cute! The lilies haven't opened yet, but they're on the entry table. The hydrangeas look so nice. I'm obsessed with the yellow flowers in the kitchen. I think it looks really cute. Hi guys! It's the next day. We're having Tasha's birthday dinner here tonight, so I'm kind of running around trying to get everything organized. It's 4:20. Her other best friends, Taylor and Jess, are coming at like 5, and I think they're gonna set up balloons and make it all cute. And then I need to go downstairs. I wanna make a cheese board. I wanna set up the table outside, set up all the like mosquito candles, bug spray, get all the glasses out, the whole nine. This is the flower arrangement I made. Don't tease me. It looks like kind of cute from afar. I got these 3 candle holders from Crate and Barrel. I'm gonna put them out on the table. Everything to make a cheese board. Let's see. I got napkins. These really cute napkin holders. I think that's what I'm gonna do right now. Cute. I'm gonna make like 7. guys, am I kind of slaying? These flowers are huge, but they look really nice, but when we eat, we'll probably move them. Good morning, everyone. I don't have much on the docket today. Getting ready. I wanted to show you guys though my collection with Every launched 2 days ago. So these are the earrings. We have this necklace, which is so fun. Sorry, my hair looks crazy. I'm trying to get natural waves. Okay, something I love about this necklace is obviously there are a bunch of different chain lengths you can put it at, but also I sometimes hook it on this part too if I really want to make it a choker. And then this necklace matches so beautifully with it. Okay, so this is the stack. So we've got the earrings and then the layered necklaces. So I'll put all the links down below if you guys want to shop my collection. I'm so excited about it, and everything is under $20. I don't know why I didn't address this earlier in the video. I know it's been a while since I posted on YouTube. I really was not feeling inspired. I feel like I've just shared my routine so many times and it's pretty standard, and I just really don't want to bore anybody. Feeling like a little pink workout moment today.